the Sulab toilet be installed immediately with an STP plant. I'm sure with this, the smell would decrease.
Next, calling attention Sri Venzi Vegas, Sri Vijay Sedisar, Kalu Freza, Viresh Borkar. Venzi Vegas.
Because of fear and anxiety in the minds of members of South Goa, Kumdad, Margaon, due to the paralysis in functioning of the office of the administrator of Kumdad of South Zone, Margaon, due to alleged habitual absentees of the incumbent administrator leading to lack of supervision of staff and significant delays in office procedures and neglect in disposal of files relating to illegal construction. Thus, demolition orders are inordinately delayed. In particular, the demolition orders was not forwarded to demolition squad for demolition of illegal structure at Mungul, Margaon, under Margaon, Kumdad. The steps the government to resolve the matter. The steps of the government.
Speaker, sir, I will instruct my Collector South to immediately visit the office of the Administrator of Kumdad South and take immediate steps to resolve the issue. If need be, we will ensure that the officer is immediately replaced.
Speaker, sir, a problem officer replace kon ani a problem tesh जायना है. Speaker, sir, the problem here is ministeran एक meeting गेली थोडे म्हूण पयले आणि कुमदादी सगळे मेंबर येयल्ले आणि कन्व्हेन्शन येयल्ले. हे स्टाफ लेवला मॅटर न्हू हो टॉप मिनिस्टर लेवल टॉपिक हो. After that meeting, after that convention, what was the follow-up that the office of the minister did in order to ensure implementation of what was discussed in the convention? Or topic comes there first. Oirson kit initiative gela, a mistake convention kelle, ye zori tor unch message clear osna. The seriousness of this functioning of this Kumdad's office is not getting clear. Kidak odil jo aha, sarkar jo aha, to Kumdadi support kona mukota, mistake for showbaji. So I want to know first specifically, I need clarification, what has been done from there on till now? Because the entire functioning of all these offices, I have just pointed out one. I am the president of Karamboli Kumdad and we belong to the central zone. The central zone also is the same. Just that aming ponje sodda hi nahi, but to time our was sodda eskun jata speaker sir. It is not about them, it is about the entire system. Karzanson Kumdadik salwar korpak ani Kumdari favoran functioning जावपाक जाय. Not just to show. I request the honorable minister. Ten meeting गेली, convention केले, तेज हाटलान कांयच जालें ना. बरें हां. आतां कित करतो तो? 7 तारीख जाच पयलीं कित करतलो? पावस काबार जात म्हळ्यार कित करतलो? आनी येते असेंब्ली सेशन जात पसन तो हे सगळें implementation करतलो. I want this assurance. Yes, this functioning has to be done correctly. हे आज कित्याक जायना? Because तेंगे सॅलरी जी आहा, आज म्हाका स्वता हुंय काय तेंकाय भिरांत दिसता की ही जी सॅलरी कुमदाद हारीक वता. ते केनो भायर मातले कित कोतले? ही सरकारान फूल सॅलरी आपल्याचे घेवपाची गरज आहा. तुमकोन नाही सीएम. तुम दिराम घेताय. दिरामाचेर सॅलरी कुमदादींचोन हाम हारीक वताय. सो हो दिराम जो आहा कुमदाद दिवचो आनी तुमी ह्यो सॅलरीज तुम हारी करच्यो. तेन्ना म्हाका स्वता हे स्टाफांक भर येतलो की दॅट वी बिलोंग टू द गव्हर्मेंट. So these are the few points that I would want to clarify. I am not going into more details where substandard building जे आहा मोडोन पडपाचें आहा, ते documentation जे आहाय ते सारक प्रिजर्व जाल्ले नाय. ते documentation प्रिजर्व करपाचो प्लॅन सारको ना with assuring की work order केन्ना जातली ती. So all these things has to put in place. Primarily, what is the minister going to do before the 7th of August? What is he going to do before the end of monsoon? And what is he going to do before the start of the next assembly session? Yes. With whatever he has given commitments, I want execution answers to be seen here. Secondly, all the 3 Kumdad offices, all the 3 zones, the north zone, the central zone and the south zone,
एक मिनिट.
put biometric things.
एक मिनिट. सभागृहाचे कामकाज 5 मिनिट वाढायचं. पुढे
5 मिनिटां जावपा ना.
तू कितली वेळ जाय?
मुगे उलयन मागीर नेक्स्ट उलयतले सर.
नाही तू कर पर्सनल.
Later, I will answer you.
I'll just finish mine.
Yeah, okay.
Secondly, म्हाका 5 मिनिटां पुरो.
ओके.
Second, सेकंडली हें जें आमी डिमॉलिशना लागून मेन्शन केलो स्ट्रक्चर एट मुंगूल इमिजिएट इन्क्वायरी टू बी डन इन टू दॅट पर्टिक्युलर मॅटर कॉल अप एंड गेट दीस डिमॉलिश्ड हें जें उलयताय आमी हिंगा तें जावपा जाय आनी दीस एक्शन वी वूड वॉन्ट टू सी बिफोर द 7th of August बिफोर द असेंब्ली सेशन गेट्स ओवर हें वन थिंग आय थिंक देर शूड बी एन एश्युरन्स एंड एक्शन शूड बी देर आनी मिनिस्टरागे डिमांड हुच तो डेट म्हाका खबर ना बट जात जाल्यार ते डिमांडा तेणें सांगपाचें हे कॉलिंग एटेन्शनाचे जे मुंगूल डिमॉलिशन आहा तें डिमॉलिशनाचें तेणें कितें केलें तें डिमांड्स आहा त्या दिसा सांगचें आमकां थँक्यू स्पीकर सर
येस श्री कालूस फेरेरा.
Honorable Speaker, this issue about South Goa Comunidades applies also for North Goa, but I will talk on South Goa because matters relating to South Goa. The information which I get from the components of South Goa Comunidad to Administrator Reinaman, and it's a very sad story if you have administrators absent. And administrator apparently is sometimes not in a condition to come. I don't have to spell out what are the reasons, but I think as the minister has said that required replacement will be done, it is better to be done. Code of Comunidades originally ashaloto, there was an appointment from amongst components who was being appointed as administrator. So amendment kela to appoint for a civil service officer to be appointed by the governor. That is what happened where these officers came and got appointed. And now the problem ki jata tenge salary fari korun
Speaker
rahe.
sir, point of order. Calling attention on the specific officer आणि एकच demolition या दोनूच विषयाचेर म्हाका काय ना
I'm
डिमांडाच्या
talking of
या
administrator appointment.
नाही त्याने उलयता आसतना कन्व्हेन्शनाचे तुम्ही कितें करतले आनी कितें हो सगळो विषय केलो
डिमांडार उलोवंक जाताले.
हां
the root cause that's the root cause Need to do a root cause analysis
रूट
because
कॉज कॉलिंग अटेन्शनान घालपाचे
root
तशें
cause
आसत
ना
जाल्यार.
the calling attention root cause कितून घातले
तो रूट कॉज त्या
we have to
कोमुदादीचो आसूं
specifically
शकता
solve the matters root cause is
काय
that
सर तो स्पेसिफिक त्या कोमुदादीक तो तिनूय कोमुदादी मिक्स करू नका तशें जाल्यार तूं तिनूय कोमुदादीचेर उलयता मरे तूं तेजेरूच उलय तुका घालपा जाल्यार तुवें तशेंच घालपाचें कॉलिंग अटेन्शन आमी
specific
कितें नाका
आसा.
म्हटलेलें
I'm
We have
speaking
admitted.
specifically.
That's why it is on the specific officers of that central zone, south zone, and regarding the demolition, only on that.
In fact, in my opening, I've stated that there is similar problem in North, but I'm focusing on South. I've said, because the question is relating to South. That's what I'm doing.
येस
So I don't think that point of order is for me.
But for he also, जाल्यार कितें जातलें सगळें तेच उलयत रावतलें म्हणून हांवें सांगलें.
South Goa
But I think Honorable Chief Minister should look at the broader picture. Even what he may have said is something relating to all Goa. But I think that broader picture also may be looked at. Kitya jana,
Ask at the demand.
Demand is there on Tuesday.
we'll do that. In a demand, we'll bring that up.
next week
See, so what my suggestion is that we need a full-time officer. A part-time ki jata to ena pauna. Then he has got hearings. In his capacity, what he's doing, he has to do his work. When he comes here, he can't attend to work. Then notices come, court compliances come. He himself has to take up matters. Zaina, and then if he doesn't take prompt action, situation becomes irreversible for us. Because you have these constructions coming up, they're becoming paka, and afterwards people come crying to us by saying that Gaur modung aile, and if you stop them in the beginning, I think immediate action is taken, that will happen. Even a replacement, Honorable Speaker, ek lakh kadlo, dusra gailo, I don't have a problem of that. But what about clearing of the files which are pending for so many years? I think some direction I think the government should give. Whoever is appointed new, and that should be done, definitely appointment of a new person, incumbent, but make sure that he dedicates at least 3 days of a week, if you're keeping him, holding additional charge, at least 3 days of a week, he should be available in the Comunidad Administration Office, because otherwise the administration officer and low kahate staff, they care kurnat. What they want, they do. It's like a kingdom by themselves. And they don't, when the administrator comes, they hide it from him. And then they run riot in that office. So they are the ones who actually control that office. They do what they want, and everything works under the carpet over there. So my request is that first is replace that administrator. Number 2 is make sure that...
एक मिनिट सभागृहाचे कामकाज 10 मिनिटांनी वाढयता
5 minutes puro. 5 minutes.
5 नाही 5 तो आसा न्ही तूं उलय तूं.
Bye. Second point is a time frame for him to make a list of the files, submit to you, and a time frame to complete the And also the staff ahat te demarcate what are their areas. Eko os, teko os, it should not be happening like this where the Komunidad components come there, managing committee members, and they have to only run in circles. Blush.
Yes, Shri Viresh Porkar. बोले बोले
बोला न्हू
बोले जा तो बस
बोलो न्ही
अच्छा विजय सर सर
पॉयंट आसा
स्पीकर सर आता मंत्र्यान सांगला ते भशेन हे इश्यूज तुमी डिमांड्साक घेयात म्हणून पूण म्हाका दिसता जे आमी कॉलिंग अटेंशन मूव केलां हे आय एग्री विथ द मिनिस्टर दॅट द इश्यू ऑल सेंटर्स अरावंड द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आनी तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक एडिशनल चार्ज आहा ताका ताजे स्टाफाचेर कंट्रोल ना आनी दोतोर काल्लुसान सांगला ते भशेन तो केन्ना केन्ना कंडिशनानूय नासता म्हणून कंडिशनान नासता म्हणल्यार तो सारको हाजेर आसता तो फूल आसता सारको तो सारको फूल आसता फामाद तो फूल आहा म्हणून स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता मंत्र्यान फर्स्ट म्हणटा तें ताका रिप्लेसमेंट हांगाच आतां एनावन्स करप हें गरजेचें दुसरें स्पीकर सर ताजे खातीर खूब इश्यूज आहात ते इश्यूज जर उलयतलो जाल्यार ते आनी खंय पावतले ते आमी मागीर तुजे रेव्हेन्यू डिमांड्साचेर उलोवया पूण इतलोच आय थिंक द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुडे विथ दीस कॉलिंग अटेंशन ही कॅन डू इज टू रिप्लेस द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रायट नाव एंड डिक्लेअर इट थँक्यू स्पीकर सर
श्री विरेश पोरकर
स्पीकर सर रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटाचो खुबशे आमी पळयता की चडशे कडेन जी डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर आसतना पासून ते डेमोलिशन करिना आनी सेम हो मॅटर सेम आसा मंगूल मारगांव आतां डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक फंक्शन आतां रिप्लायन फक्त दिला तेंच्यांनी की त्या ऑफिसराक ट्रान्सफर करतले म्हणून ताका दुसरे कडेन इमिजिएट ट्रान्सफर करतले पण अजून पर्यंत कित्याक जावना आतां स्पीकर सर हांव तुमकां एक सांगूंक सोदता
स्पीकर सर हांव ताका सांगला इन्क्वायरी कर आनी जर तो सांगता ते खरें आसत जाल्यार ताका आयजूच सस्पेंड कर आयच्या आयज सांजचे पर्यंत सस्पेंड ऑर्डर
तो ताकाय खबर आहा
काट सस्पेंड
ताका फूल आहा
हांवें
ताका
सांगलें
कळ्ळें
ताका हांवें इन्क्वायरी करपाक लायला आयजूच आनी आयज सांजचे पर्यंत ताका जर खरें आसत ताका सस्पेंड कर म्हणून सांगलो
आज बिरेस्तार आज ड्राय डे आसात आज बिरेस्तार
मागीर तो फाल्यां चॅक करचो पडटलो अल्कोमिटर घालून
ना सगळे बिरेस्तार करना सगळे बिरेस्तार
चॅक कर आनी सस्पेंड कर ताका आयजूच चल
He's from other department also.
सस्पेंड कर ताका
विरेश पोरकर
No, other,
Suspend kar.
no, he has got
Purkar.
other departments also basically.
Continue karat.
This is just actually additional charge what he has got.
तेव्हाय तुवें सस्पेंड कर रे
So now henceforth whatever we do, we will have the administrator with full charge. So there will be no additional charge given to him.
आनी कर ताका न्ही न्ही ताका ती पण हेका जर खरें आसत ताका सस्पेंड कर
स्पीकर सर सीएमान जानेवारी 18, 2023 स्टेटमेंट केल्लो इनलिगल हाऊसेस ऑन गव्हर्मेंट अँड कोमुनिदाद लँड विल बी रायझन सेज सीएम डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आतां हो स्टेटमेंट वर्स जावन गेलें आतां वर्स जावन मायज जालें तरी पूण अजून पर्यंत जो एक्शन करपाक जाय अजून पर्यंत एक्शन जायना आतां एका डिपार्टमेंट कितलो जबाबदार आसा मिनिस्टर म्हटल्यार मिनिस्टरान खंय ना खंय दखल घेवपाक जाय समज ऑफिसर काम करिना जे डिपार्टमेंटल ऑफिसर काम करिना मिनिस्टरान इनवॉल्व जावपाक जाय आनी ते डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर जे कोमुलदाद घेवन कोर्टान वचोन ऑर्डर हाडटा आनी तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक आयज डिपार्टमेंट हांगाच न्हू हांव मिनिस्टराक परत
Because,
सांगता हांगाच न्हू
because
आनी खूब कडेन
this is one particular case which they are talking about as far as demolition as far as administrator is concerned in the Komunidad land.
पण हांव पर्टिक्युलरली हेजेरूच उलयतां पण बाकीच्याय केसी आसा बाकीचेय मॅटर आसा ते जाय जाल्यार हांव मिनिस्टराक दिता मिनिस्टरान एक्शन घेवची मग एवरी टायम आमी विधानसभेन आयकोन येता की एक्शन घेतले म्हणून मागीर फुडें एक्शन जायना सो हांगा जो आमचो गोवा लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड आसा हितून क्लियर कट बरयल्लें आसा की हेजे इनलिगल स्ट्रक्चर येवपाक जायना कोमुलदादीचे टोटल लॉ सगळे आसा पण ते पालनूच जायना आतां हितून आतां एवरी टायम आमी एक्शन घेवचें हेंच सांगता फुडें एक्शनूच जायना सो जो एक जालो ऑफिसराक सस्पेंड करपाक आतां सीएमान सांगला सस्पेंड करा म्हणून ऑफिसराक सस्पेंड करा दुसरो ऑफिसर येतलो आनी एक्शन जातली हेजे एश्युरन्स मिनिस्टरान घेवपाक जाय कशे भशेन हेजेर एक्शन डेमोलिशन जावपाक जाय जेन्ना पर्यंत डेमोलिशन जायना हो इश्यू असोच चालू उरतलो आनी सरकार म्हटल्यार डिपार्टमेंटान जितले ऑफिसर आसा तांकां स्ट्रिक्ट सांगपाक जाय हो प्रेशर घालता तो प्रेशर आयज अशें चालू आसा स्पीकर सर कोण प्रेशर घालता म्हणून थंय डेमोलिशन उरता आनी कोण फोन मारता डेमोलिशन उरता अशें जावपाक जायना सीएमानी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिवपाक जाय जशें आतां इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलें सस्पेंड करपाचो अशेंच इन्स्ट्रक्शन येवपाक जाय कोण फोन मारतालो तो कोणूय आसूं खंयचोय पॉलिटिशियन आसूं एक्शन जावपाक जाय
येस ओके
आणि वाडोय टाइम
हां
5 मिनिटांनी वाडोय 1:10 जाले 10 मिनिटं
10 मिनिट वाढले 15 मिनिटाचे
स्पीकर सर Speaker, sir, हेजेरूच हांवें एक क्वेश्चन
मिनट वाडयत आसा.
whether the Komuda audits are carried out every year. म्हाका आन्सर दिल्ले की सर as per the article 466 of ना दुसरें हांवें एक विचारलें की number of demolition orders.
तूं आसा उलयता?
Because just 2 points that I would add. I believe that you should take a clear stand on whatever demolition is mentioned in this. Secondly, the encroachment, especially on paddy fields, this is a serious issue. And Jay Wenzin Baban Sangala, I think the staff is without salary from April 2024. These are things that your government needs to understand.
That's the reason, Speaker, sir, we will have an administrator now full-time instead of having a part-time administrator. And then there will be a basically he'll be responsible, basically. Now they always say that we have got to go to our department, so it is half what they do. So we will have a full-time administrator now, and we will see that the new administrator, whoever we place, will be a more efficient one.
सभागृहाचे कामकाज 2:30 पर्यंत स्थगित करतो.
These days. Huh?